pointers to an array. So first we have seen the array of array, that is array inside the array, that is like matrix. Next we have seen the array of pointers, that means my array is now become the pointers and it is storing the address, and it is storing the address one by one byte. Now in the pointers to an array, so it's storing the, so we will see, then I will explain what it is exactly do. So what is the syntax of pointer to an array? Data type, then star variable name, then element. For example, integer star p of 5, character star q of 10, float star r of 5. So in array of pointers, how we are writing? In array of pointers, we was writing is integer star p of 5. In pointers to an array, we have put here bracket. Okay. So what is the meaning of this line? Integer star p of 5. So p is a pointer pointing to an array of 5 integers. So here my p is a pointer and pointing to array of 5 integers. Next line, q is an array. So sorry. Q is a pointer pointing to an array of 10 character in pointing to an array of 10 characters. Next is the R is an pointer pointing to an array of 5 floats. Okay. Then I will write one program, then explain. Integer star p of 3 I will take. Okay. Now IP is also storing the address of A, and P is also storing the address of A. Now I will print f %d slash n, size of IP and size of P. What will be my output here? Printf size of star IP and size of star P. What will be my output here? So what is my output here? So here this is my star P of 3. So this is my pointer only. So pointer is not allocated any array value. So pointer is this one, and this is my similar like IP. So my IP is storing the address of A, that is 1000, and P is also storing the address of A, that is also 1000. But you can see IP is pointing to the first element and my P is pointing to the 3 elements of my array. So this is the difference in the array of pointers and pointer to an array. Pointer to an array, that is no any pointer array. My pointer is pointing to at a time how many elements? These 3, that means it is pointing to at a time 3 elements. And IP is pointing to 1 elements. So what is my size of IP? Size of IP is 4. Size of P is also 4 bytes. What is my size of star IP? Size of star IP is 4 bytes. And what is my size of star P? Size of star P is 12 bytes. Okay, done this. 4 4 4 12. Okay, next, suppose I will print the addresses. So now what will be my addresses? IP address. So here also it will print 1000, and IP plus 1 is printing 1004.
Four.
And what is my P? P address is also 1000, and P plus 1 is printing 1012. Okay, so 6422176 plus 1 is the plus 4 byte increment, here plus 12 bytes increment. So you can like this way, IP that is storing 1000 address, and P is also storing the 1000 address. IP plus 1 1004, P plus 1 1012. star IP 10, star P 1000. Here star P will not give the value. Star P will give the address. Star IP plus 1, 11. Star P plus 1, 1004. Double star P, 10. Double star P plus 1, 11. Suppose you want to print data 10, 20, 30 like this way. So how you can print? You can use star P of 0. Then your output is 10. Star P of 1. Then your output is 20. And star P of 2. Then your output is 30. You can write either star P of 0, that is P of 0 of 0 also. Here P of 0 of 1 also. And here P of 0 of 2. Okay, so I will print like this way. Printf %d %d relation comma star P of 0 comma star P of 1 comma star P of 2. Okay, so that I can able to print my data 10, 20, 30. So write down this. Next, we will do one program. I have to do it now. Design a function to print integer of two-dimensional array. So I will pass the address of array and then the row and column. My two-dimensional array is like this way: integer b of 2 of 3 equal to an integer I, j, row, column. I don't want ij, I want only row and column only. How to calculate row? Row is equal to size of b divided by size of b of 0. And column is size of b of 0 divided by b of 0 of 0. Okay, so I am passing here the array starting address, rows and column. So in my print function, void print integer star p, my integer r, my integer column. Integer I, for I is equal to 0. How many times my loop will rotate? How to calculate the size of two-dimensional array? We will do multiplication with row with the column, so we will get the size of two-dimensional array. That means here 2 rows and 3 columns, 2 multiplication with 3 is 6. So 6 elements are available in that. So always you have to find out what is the size of your matrix. So you have to um, do the rows and columns multiplication. I less than r into c, I plus plus, then printf %d comma p of I. After my for loop, I will put the selection. So like this way we can print my two-dimensional array using functions 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. Next, we can do one more thing also. Using pointer to an array also you can print. So void, I will make another function is the print one function. Inside my argument, I will take integer star of 3. My integer and integer. So I will write down here void print one integer star p of 3 integer row and integer column. Integer I and j, I need two variables. So how we can do using this star p of 3? So in the previous program we have seen my p of 0 of 1, p of 0 of 0, like this way you can print your data. In this program you have see star p of 0, that means p of 0 of 0, star p of 1, that is p of 0 of 1, this is p of 0 of 2. So like this way, p of 0 of 1, 0 of 2, 0 2 of 2, like this way you can print your data. So first row data, then second row data, you can print 1 of 0, 1 of 2, 1 of 3. Like this way, you can print here also. So you have this data is stored like this way in the memory. Your two-dimensional array is stored. So this is your B. This is your B of 0. And this is your B of 1. So 40, 50, 60, 10, 20, 30 is here. This is your B of 0 of 0. This is B of 0 of 1. This is B of 0 of 2. This is B of 1 of 0. This is B of 1 of 2. 1 of 1 and B of 1 of 2. So you want B of 0 of 0 of 0. Then you need first row and 3 columns. So first row at that time 3 times my loop will rotate. Second row at that time also my 3 times my loop will rotate, and I will print 0 of 0, 0 of 1, 0 of 2 like this way. For I is equal to 0, I less than row time, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, I less than column time, j plus plus. Set j, I can printf q of I of j and printf slash n. So after this loop I will put the slash n. So like this way you can also print. Here is my mistake. I have to do percentage d is equal. So my data is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 will print. Just a second. I have not the call the print one function. I have called the print function. Here I am calling the print one function. See, my data is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 is printing here. So write down this code in your book. Okay, that's it for today.